Look at these mermaids. I have two gorgeous mermaids on my boat. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. I can't believe it. I'm gonna just, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
We're all there.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Let's hit him.
Yeah.
Let's cut him off. Causing problems over here. No, he's catching up to us very quickly. Yeah. But we're doing good.
You're like, this ain't no D-string on a chicken wing. Look at
What, more?
that.
What? You found something?
It's like a octopus thing.
Maybe we'll see a dolphin.
No, it's like a, look at. It's a dead seal.
A dead seal? Oh no! How did we get a dead seal?
More little bits.
Is he there? Where is he?
He's back there.
Where is he? Oh, what? I wish he could come up here.
There he comes. Here he comes.
Is he still coming? Come on, Mr. Pelican.
Tastes good, Mr. Pelican. Ready?
Is he coming? No.
Here, kitty, 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 kitty,
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Oh,
what do you do?
Rice cake comes in between the cameras. Oh boy. Oh, you scared me. Ready? Ready? You like rice cake?
Yes. Oh, there we go. Freeze frame.
Freeze frame.
A new screensaver.
Do I have rice cake buns? No. There you go. They taste so good. That's what tastes good. Oh, that's so sweet. Get some good vintage. Yeah, I did. Hello. Look who's back.
Is he back?
Yes, he likes us. Great bird. So cute.
I'm okay. I love the way that island looks. I just friggin' love it. It's so gorgeous. Very nice.
Facebook me, Andy, for all this.
Yes, I will. Here, take a picture of me. Still rolling. It's hard to aim that thing because the stupid screen is broken. Hi, my name is Andruski Kabuski. I invented the locomotive in 1745.
My name is Andrew. What did you say?
The locomotive.
No, Andrew.
Andruski Kabuski.
Yeah, Andruski
Kabuski.
Like some juicy.
Polish.
I'm Emily Shapi.
Polishioso.
I'm Emilio McGilio.
Dolphins, dolphins, dolphins.
Yeah, we need dolphins. Come on, dolphins. That was you. You have pretty good pitch there.
He's a good singer.
Are you a singer? No way, Jay. Let's record an album, dude. No, really, you were a singer?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Then I know what we're gonna do later, if I can force you.
Yeah, sing with you while you play?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah?
Yes.
Then we can drop some acid.
Acid.
Oh, that looks gorgeous. It's like a monster.
Yeah.
Right? It looks like it's awesome. Yeah, that is just so amazing.
Yeah, well, my camera's dead.
Well, I got it, so I'll make you a copy.
Yeah, make me a copy. Oh, so beautiful.
Yeah, this is like my favorite part of the whole journey. Is this the lighthouse and the arch. I think we're 12 miles or 13, I can't remember, from the shore.